And here's how to reset your entire WordPress website. So currently this is my WordPress website. Now I will show you how to reset this site. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard and now go to add new plugin page. In here you have to search for WP Reset, and all you have to need install and activate this WP Reset plugin. Once the plugin activated, in this left hand menu, hover over on Tools and click on WP Reset, and you directly log into your the plugin dashboard. Here go to Snapshots, and here you can create a snapshot before resetting your WordPress website. And here you can read this little description. A snapshot is a copy of all WordPress database tables, standard and custom ones, saved in the site's database. So you can create a snapshot from here, and then after resetting your WordPress website, you will be able to restore your current theme from this snapshot. In my case, I'm going to directly clicking on reset, and here please read carefully before proceeding. So if you see this bin icon, then tool will delete, reset or destroy the noted data, and if you see this green check mark, then tool will not touch the noted data in any way. So from here you can adjust your medias you want to delete or don't want to delete. Now scroll down, and here we can see what happens when I run any reset tool. Remember, always make a backup first or use snapshots, and you will have to confirm the action one more time. See the table above to find out what exactly will be reset or deleted. Site title, WordPress URL, site language, site search engine visibility, and current users also be restored, and you will be logged out, automatically logged back in and taken to the admin dashboard. WP Reset plugin will be reactivated if that option is chosen. Now scroll down and just come to this site reset section. Here after reset you can if you want to reactivate your current theme after reset, check this box, and if you want to reactivate all of your current plugins after resetting, check this box. In my case, I'm going to unchecking because I want to completely reset my WordPress website. And now in this box, type here reset and just click on reset site, click on reset WordPress, and this plugin will start to reset your WordPress. Once resetted, here I'm going to opening my WordPress website once more, and as you can see, my site successfully resetted from this theme to this theme, and this is the default theme of WordPress. Now I'm going to my WordPress dashboard, going to post. As you can see, all posts have been deleted. Let's go to pages. Also, as you can see, all pages have been deleted. Let's go to plugins, and now we can see plugins deactivated but not deleted. So we have to delete all plugins manually. So select all deactivated plugins and just click on this bulk action, select delete, click on apply, okay, and all of your plugins will be deleted. And that's it. You have successfully resetted your entire WordPress website. Now you can go ahead and build your WordPress website from scratch. Thanks for watching.